Hey YouTube, it's me, 123X Mark Boy here again. Quick update on the X Mark. If you remember from last video, it was running a little rough at idle. I'm going to go ahead and start it up and show you what it's doing, and then I'm going to show you how to fix it. So here's what it sounds like at idle. Alright, so if you have a Kawasaki FH series engine, I believe FH 580V and below, because the FH 601V has the double barrel carburetor. If your engine has a single barrel carburetor like this one, all you're going to have to do is look for your idle jet adjustment, and that is that little black thing right there. And what you're going to have to do is take a screwdriver to it and just pry it off like that. It might be a little bit harder depending on how sticky it wants to be. Just set that somewhere safe, and then what you're going to want to do is fire up your engine again and then slowly keep turning this out until your engine smooths out. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. If it'll stay running. Listen for is it to sound smooth on both cylinders. So I think I went a little bit too far. Yeah, too far. So right there, and you should be able to rev it up without a problem. So that's a simple fix for a low-pin Kawasaki FH series engine. Hopefully this video helps you guys out, and that's all for this one. I'll see you in the next one.